Sabina Chege over her election rigging remarks continues at the IEBC headquarters today. Now, our reporter Daniel Kariuki is there for us and now joins us with the latest. Over to you, Daniel.
Hi, Trix. Good morning to you. And you said it right. Today is when IEBC will be having the cross-examination of Murang'a Women Representative Sabina Chege after it was pushed to this day from last week when they had converged at the IEBC headquarters, that's at the Anniversary Towers. And first and foremost, they'll be dealing with the matter in terms of the move by Sabina Chege to the High Court seeking orders to stop IEBC from conducting this cross-examination. So they're going to be looking into that. The court is yet to issue the orders. So they're going, of course, they're going to be looking at some of the issues to do with the orders that might be given by the court. If Sabina Chege is granted the orders, then IEBC will not be able to move on with the case. But as we speak, they have not received the orders, and so they are going to continue with the case, the cross-examination that is set to start anytime from now at their headquarters. Last week, we saw the council, that's James Orengo and Otiende Amolo, who are representing Sabina at the IEBC, have a back and forth between them and the IEBC lawyers in terms of if the commission had the right or the mandate to have such a case or to listen to such a case. And so the IEBC lawyers plus the commissioners retreat to speak and to agree if indeed the IEBC had the mandate. And from their retreat and from their meeting, they came up with a conclusion that they had the mandate to go on with the case, and that's how they issued the directives that Sabina appears today for the cross-examination. And of course, this comes after Sabina put out those statements at a rally in Vihiga. There's a Azimio rally that was happening in Vihiga County, and IEBC was saying they had some report concerning the statements that were put out by Sabina. But the council said they wanted to know exactly what the report entailed, and if there was no report, then they wanted to know who was the claimant of the remarks by Sabina. And so that is part of what is going to form the cross-examination today, as they seek also to have the video that IEBC said they were in possession, and they say they are going to be releasing that video to the council so that they know how they are going to be arguing this matter to do with the remarks by the Murang'a woman representative. Of course, we are going to be following up to know exactly what will be the conclusion, and if IEBC have their ruling and finds that Sabina is in contravention of the code of conduct of the electoral laws, then she might be fined or be closed from participating in the next election. That's the 2022 election. Remember, she's vying for the woman representative seat. Initially, it was about being the governor of Murang'a, but we understand that she's going to be seeking for re-election for the woman representative seat. So in case IEBC finds that she has gone against that law, then she might find herself on a fix in matters to do with the vying for the next election. So we are going to keep following up to know if indeed even the High Court is going to issue the orders that Sabina is seeking. Tricks.
Thank you very much, Daniel Kariuki. And as you said, it down to the evidence that will be presented in that particular hearing. Thank you so much, and he will be keeping an eye on that. But let's move on to more news. And in politics, the race to State House is causing rifts in the Orange Democratic Movement.